Hello viewers, Anuwagomunti. Lagos Police Commissioner stops Ajofia Nnewi Masquerade at Igbo Festival. Lagos State Police Commissioner CP Shola Olanrewaju Olaware has made a decision to stop Ajofia Nnewi Masquerade from attending the Igbo Festival in Lagos. This is after a meeting of stakeholders. At that meeting, they agreed that the masquerade will cause a disturbance and it will disturb public peace. So, and even the commission pointed at a particular video of Ajofia performing rituals and emphasized that while each tribe has its own masquerade traditions, the Ajofia Masquerade might not be understood by other groups. He stressed the need to maintain harmony among all ethnic groups in Lagos. Ajofia has been going to Lagos, actually. We know that Ajofia Masquerade has been going to Lagos, not just Lagos, Abuja. And this time around, they said it could violate other people's maybe space. It could disturb their peace because they said there's a particular video they watched, they saw Ajofia say they would do in Lagos. I don't know whether it's to possess Lagos. I don't know whether it's fear. I was even thinking at a point, Onwere ndị Igbo aka ha dị n'ife a. Onwere ndị Igbo achọghọ ka ọ gbazie na Lagos. Ka ọ na ndị be anyị chọrọ ịkwụsị completely. Because I know that I'm not trying to approve Ajofia going to Lagos, but I know that Ajofia has been going to Lagos, going to Abuja. And the masquerade does not go to any other gathering except Igbo gathering. So I don't really understand what transpired. And the Igbo community in Lagos actually have accepted that, okay, Ajofia is not coming. We're going to do our thing. No more invitation of Ajofia. That is how they resolved it. And let me add to this. Let me tell you, I think it is wise to avoid Ajofia for himself. I think it's wise for Ajofia to avoid coming to Lagos any further. Not just this time around, any further. I think it's an advice. Ajofia Masquerade should restrict itself to Igbo land, where the culture is welcomed. Many people are using Ajofia to go for burial and, people who can afford the price. I don't know why this is happening, but I will advise. Because so that it will not get to a point they will disgrace a very revered masquerade in Igbo land. So it's an advice from me. Some people do not even cherish or like that idea of the Igbo masquerade moving to other regions. Apart from, Igbos in Lagos can have their masquerade, their own, that, during the, when they are having festival or a kind of an occasion that requires masquerade. I think they should have their own. If I were Ajofia, I would stop going to living an Igbo, so that they will not mess up, they will not abuse this masquerade. We've seen occasions where masquerade are being flogged by security operatives just to abuse people's culture. It's not done anywhere. In Igbo land, masquerade is seen as spirit, especially not just any masquerade. Some of these masquerade are seen as spirit. It has come to a point they are flogging masquerade. You see soldiers, police people, pull off the masquerade's what it's wearing and start beating it. Even I've seen one that they commanded to start cutting grass. They want to they are not just doing it because of the masquerade has committed an offense, but they are doing it just to embarrass, insult your culture. So if I am to advise Ajofia, I will even advise him to stop going to Lagos. Yes, or any other place outside an Igbo. Let him go where he's invited, where he's assured of his security and everything. Although, too, there are times masquerades are being punished. Like what happened in here. I came to a point, yes, it is sweet. Oh, those times, some ladies will tell you, oh, I like masquerade chasing us. We run into this place during masquerade festivals or yam festivals and the rest of them. We like masquerade chasing us. Hey, mom, try you see by But it came to a point in Ihiala that the masquerade is beating everybody. They could even flog old mamas, agadiwine. They were abusing it, and for a season, it was banned. And that is also the case. We've seen videos where masquerade abuse what they're supposed to do. They abuse it. And you see people attack masquerades. You see security operatives step in some of the times, too. So, Ajofia, they said they don't want him to come. Let him be wise. And if I were him, I will even avoid going outside an Igbo. Or what do you think, viewers? Add on the comment section. Abiazi Ajofia, call in a carry abuse ye. If you call him, this is a cultural thing, even though somehow it's a business for some people. So, yes, quite all right. It's also a business. For Ajofia to to travel to Lagos or Abuja, you know what it takes for you to bring it? It's a business too, aside that is cultural, but it's a business too. But then, it is better to be wise. Once you are demystified, the flair is gone. You become worthless. So if I am to advise, just like many, I've sought a lot of people's reaction before I did this video. They are saying, be wise, restrict yourself to an Igbo. Preserve the respect that you have as one of the biggest masquerade. That's what they are saying. Restrict yourself to an Igbo. I'm not a culturalist, no. But I'm just someone who loves the Igbo people, and I talk about the Igbo people. And for them to retain their respect to an extent, it is wise. Do your end of year festival, do everything, but you could have your masquerades that there. Don't import or export our masquerades outside. What do you think, viewers? Add your comment.